Hey cuties, and welcome to another video. This video is going to be an unboxing slash swatch video of Madam Glam's new green Gaia, I think that's how you say it, collection. And the colors are absolutely gorgeous, you guys. This color here that I'm swatching is called Rainforest, which is a beautiful green. Honeycomb is the next color, and it is a nice pale yellow. I just want to let you guys know that in the beginning of this video it's going to be bright, and then at some point towards the middle to the end it will get darker, because when I was filming I felt like the white lights were washing it out and you couldn't tell that that was yellow. But maybe because I was in person I felt like it wasn't showing the true color, but now that I'm looking back at the footage I could have kept my lights bright. So if that bothers you guys, I apologize. Also, y'all gonna see my lights in the stone, because the little pre-made desk in my apartment is made of like granite countertop or something like that, so it's gonna reflect the light. So apologize in advance on that. But this one is Persian Sea, very opaque. Madam Glam colors are very opaque. This is just one top, like one coat of every single color here that I'm showing you guys. In the end, you will see what all of them look like with two coats in the very last B-roll, because I went through and I went through and coated each of them twice, because most people, when they polish, they do two coats. However, when I use Madam Glam on all of my nail sets, personally, I don't do two coats. I rarely do two coats of any polish brand unless it's white or the color is just really like sheer. Didn't I just put this phone on Do Not Disturb? Unless the colors are sheer, like Lotus Fever, but Lotus Fever actually isn't that sheer. But however, this is definitely something I would need to do two coats of, and Honeycomb is something I would need to do two coats of. Ocean Pearl, I didn't realize when I picked this it was supposed to be a top coat. I just thought it was supposed to be a glitter nail. But y'all gotta wait till y'all see it up close. Like, I don't even think the camera did this thing justice. Like, as soon as I saw it, I was so giddy. I was like, this is pretty. Because like when I was picking it off of the computer swatches, I didn't see that it had pink and yellow and green. I mostly just saw blue. Like, I saw blue, green, and white or something like that, but I didn't see the pink and the other colors in there. But honestly, this is just a cute, quick, short video. But the description will be down below for you guys to check out Madam Glam and be able to purchase from their new collection today. So don't forget to check the description below if you guys want to go ahead and purchase this collection. If you use that link, I will get a commission from it, but you will also get a discounted price if you use that link to purchase as well. And there's also an event coming up that they will provide a discount code for 2 days. I will keep you guys posted on that. In this clip, I wanted to make sure I keep talking because I wanted to show you guys the texture of the polish. So you see how smooth that is. I wanted to be honest with you guys and let you know that, I don't know, maybe it was just me, but that one was a little chunky when I first got it. Like, it was sticky. Like, I had to go up and out. It just seemed thick at first. Like, if you can see the way it's pulling away, you see the thick piece of polish on the tip of the brush. Okay, my camera finally focused so you can see it. So it's not a horrible thing. It just definitely means a little goes a long way to a certain extent. But once you polish it, like once you start stroking the brush with the polish and things like that, it's not as bad as it seems. But I did want to let you guys know about that. But let me know down in the comments below which one of these swatches were your favorite, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah! Happy spring!